Hi guys, my name is Arushi Goyal and I was the president of the dance club of class of 20, and this is your dance club orientation presentation. So the objective of the dance club is essentially to make people dance. We aim to create environments and have activities where all kinds of people feel free to dance. And I do mean all kinds of people. There are going to be a lot of dancers who are just going to want to go back to dancing. But my favorite aim was to target the non dancers because a lot of times you realize that people just don't have the courage or they just don't know what steps to do. So just create those activities for them, encourage them to try out dancing, and you'll have a lot of new dancers by the end of the year. Another point was to make sure dance becomes everybody's trusted go-to space when they're just tired of all things ISB. And that's going to happen a lot. So dance club actually plays a very important role in the lives of the people. Our year-round activities are definitely something that I'm particularly proud of because the dance club was active throughout the year. We did not rest even in a single term. For the sake of the presentation, I have divided all the activities that we did into three categories. The first one is the marquee or the major categories, which included the launch of our official troupe for Mohali, which I'll get to in a bit. Our selection of the class song, which involved the entire cohort voting for the song that they liked, choreographing the steps to it, and actually shooting the entire video. The video actually came out interesting because we shot half of it on campus and half of it off campus because we had to leave due to corona, but we did not limit ourselves and our activities to just campus. The last one was something that we had planned, which was supposed to be our flagship event, which was Motown Moves, in which we were actually inviting people to form their own groups and prepare some dances, and we'll set them a stage and an event and give them the spotlight for them to dance. We actually had more than 20-25 teams registered, which included the admin and the staff and the professors. But unfortunately, Corona got to all of us. So, anyway, apart from that, we have had plenty of workshops ranging from salsa to Bollywood to even ballroom to contemporary and even Garba. These were open to everyone who wanted to try out a new form of dancing or to just wanted to shake a leg for a bit, do some choreographed moves. Then we had a couple of flash mobs. We had people shoot certain choreographies all around the campus, and something particular that you might have already known about are dance recreations. One of which actually ended up going viral on ISV's official page, and currently I think has around almost 10 million views. The dance club performed at every single event at ISV, almost every single event. We had a performance for Pride Parade, then IKEA, Panthan, Equinox, ILS, the Winter Ball, the Garba Night, you name it, and the dance club was there. We had something going on at every single event all the time. Apart from that is also something close to me, which is our various collaborations with other social clubs, or as I like to call it, our social fam. We did it to the point that it actually became a meme. Like we had a performance in which every president and vice president of every single social club danced on stage like a choreographed performance. That is probably the best thing that you could see in ISP. Apart from that, we also helped each other in promotion of our events. For instance, I've had people from social clubs, people from GSB, people from professional clubs just dancing to promote our events. We used to share each other's posters to promote our events. It was all good. It was all love. It was okay fine. Yeah. One of the legacy projects from the dance club for ISB Mohali campus was Motown Funk, which is its official dance troupe, like the first ever official dance troupe. The Hyderabad campus has had a dance troupe for a very long time, so we finally decided that it was time for the Mohali campus to have a recognized set of people that could represent dance club wherever necessary. So we held auditions, a lot of people showed up, and we finalized on a 15 people troupe that we called Motown Funk. Our official launch was during Equinox, and post which we performed a number of flash mobs and a number of events. These guys have worked really hard. These are probably the most hardworking dancers that you'll see at ISB. This it just showed in our events, and yeah, this is something very special to be a part of at ISB. I think one of the major messages that we have for you is don't let the distance get to you. I know it's hard, and I know that it doesn't feel the same if you don't have people dancing right next to you, but it's a difficult time, and we've all pretty much managed to do fine so far. So let dance continue to be the reprieve that we've always wanted it to be here at ISP. Let it be something that makes you happy, that makes you have fun despite what the circumstance may be. That is probably one of the best stress relievers at ISP. And don't just wait to get to campus to start having fun. And even if it's behind a few shared screens, just continue to keep the spirit of dancing alive and have a good time. We really hope that despite the circumstance and despite the system, you carry forward the legacies that we've created here in our year, and that you create even more of your own and touch new milestones. Just, oh, and happy dancing.